Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word population. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The population of the small town had been steadily decreasing over the past decade due to lack of job opportunities. Population refers to the group of individuals living in a specific area or region. It can vary in size and demographic characteristics. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.